Welcome to the best picks. The best ceramics to paint is probably one of the most relaxing and creative hobbies you can pick up. In this video, we're diving into the wonderful world of ceramics painting, exploring different kits, and helping you find the perfect set to unleash your inner artist. Whether you're a seasoned painter or a complete beginner, get ready to discover the joy of transforming plain ceramic pieces into stunning works of art. Number 5. Acrylic paint set, 12 colors with brushes. This paint set is designed to bring out the maximum brilliance and color clarity. The rich viscosity makes mixing easy. It's great for canvas painting and various decorations. Formulated with a non-toxic composition, this set is safe for the whole family. You can use it without any worries, making it perfect for both adults and children. This set has a premium consistency, perfect for blending and layering. It also comes with 3 professional brushes, giving you everything you need to start creating. Whether you need it for model art, ceramics, or wood crafts, this set can be used for all of these. It's versatile and suitable for a wide range of projects. Ideal for beginners or seasoned artists, this kit makes a great gift. It's perfect for Christmas or as stocking stuffers for anyone who loves to create. What we like. This set boasts vivid colors, making your artwork pop. It's also non-toxic, ensuring safety for all ages. If you're looking for a versatile set with brushes included, this is an excellent choice for various projects, from Easter eggs to canvas paintings. What people say. Vibrant colors. Dries quickly and evenly. Paint doesn't dry out in the tube when resealed. The paints work on a variety of surfaces. I've painted with them on canvas paper, and my mom and I painted rocks and pieces of wood. The colors are vibrant and mix well with one another to create new hues. For example, there's not a really good orange in the set, so I've had to mix my own every time I wanted one. The brushes are decent and provide pretty good coverage, especially since they come free with the set of paints. Also, the paint cleans off the brushes easily with just a bit of water and a wipe of a paper napkin. Paint still fresh and usable. Great on all surfaces. Shells rocks canvas wood. Number 4. Creative Roots Butterfly Stepping Stone Kit. Get ready to paint your own butterfly stepping stone. This kit provides everything you need to create a beautiful piece of art. It's a fun and engaging activity for all ages. This kit includes a 7 by 7 inch ceramic butterfly stepping stone, ready for your artistic touch. There's no messy molding, just pure creative fun. The kit comes with 6 vibrant acrylic paints. You can design unique color patterns and discover the art of color mixing. Once you're done, display it on a shelf, in an indoor plant, or in your garden. Remember to apply an exterior varnish to protect it from the elements. This kit makes an excellent gift for craft lovers, gardening aficionados, or butterfly fans. It's a thoughtful and creative present that anyone would appreciate. The set includes a ready-to-paint ceramic butterfly stepping stone, an acrylic paint strip with various colors, a paintbrush, and easy-to-follow instructions. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. This kit offers a ready-to-paint stepping stone, eliminating the need for messy molding. It comes with vibrant acrylic paints, allowing for unique designs. If you like a fun, creative project for kids or a unique gift for gardening enthusiasts, this is perfect. What people say. The ceramic pieces were well made and the paint colors were vibrant. The variety of ceramic items was great. The paint was easy to use and the finished products looked great. Number 3. ARTISTRO 24 Acrylic Paint Markers. These markers feature a dual-tip design. One end has a fine tip for detailed work, while the other offers a broader tip for filling in larger areas. It allows you to easily switch between precision and coverage. You can start creating right away. The markers are pre-activated, so there's no need to shake or prime them. The ink flows smoothly and dries quickly, preventing smudges. The markers come in a range of bold, eye-catching colors. They are perfect for various DIY projects, cards, and school projects. You can mix and layer them to create unique effects. These markers work on many surfaces. They glide smoothly over paper, canvas, fabric, wood, glass, metal, ceramic, and rock. The coverage is fade-resistant and even. The markers conform to safety standards and are odorless. They are safe for users of all ages, from kids to adults. They're ideal for classrooms, studios, or crafting at home. To keep the markers in good condition, store them horizontally with the caps tightly closed. This helps maintain the ink quality and ensures they're always ready to use. What we like. These markers feature dual tips for both fine details and bold strokes, offering creative flexibility. They're ready to use, with no prep needed, and work on almost any surface. If you are looking for versatile markers for various crafts, from rock painting to fabric design, consider this. What people say. These markers are of excellent quality, with intense, long-lasting colors that don't fade easily. Their dual tips allow for both fine detail work and covering larger areas with ease. They also work well on various surfaces, making them very versatile for all kinds of creative projects. The colors are vibrant and varied, they apply beautifully from the first stroke, and they don't bleed through. I love that they have a double tip, a fine tip for details and a dot tip that's perfect for decorating and creating designs. They work very well on different surfaces, and the ink dries quickly. The 24 colors are intense and provide great coverage on various surfaces such as fabric, canvas, wood, glass, and rock. The dual tip is very practical, the fine tip is perfect for precise details, and the thicker tip is ideal for filling in areas or creating larger strokes. The paint flows smoothly and dries quickly without smudging. Number 2. Acrylic paint set with 36 colors and brushes. This all-inclusive acrylic paint set is perfect for artists of all levels. Open the box and start creating. It comes with everything you need to begin your artistic journey. The paint delivers brilliant, fade-resistant colors that dry quickly. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this set will fuel your creativity. The colors are perfect for canvas art. This paint set is non-toxic and adheres to safety standards. The fast-drying formula allows for easy layering. Cleanup is simple with just soap and water. This paint set is the perfect gift for artists of all ages and skill levels. It can be used on a variety of surfaces, including canvas, wood, and fabric. It's great for many projects. We stand behind the quality of this paint set. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us. We're here to help and will respond within 24 hours. What we like. This set is all-inclusive, providing everything from paints to brushes, suitable for beginners to professionals. It offers premium vibrant colors that dry quickly and last. If you are looking for a comprehensive set for various surfaces and skill levels, this is a great choice. What people say. The ceramic pieces were well made and the paint colors were vibrant. The variety of ceramic items was great, offering a range of options for different artistic preferences. The glaze provided a beautiful, glossy finish to the painted ceramics. Number 1. Chalkola 20 Dual Tip Acrylic Paint Markers. These dual tip acrylic paint markers are perfect for various surfaces. They are ideal for rock painting, canvas, wood, and more. Get ready to explore your artistic side with this versatile set. The paint pens are professional grade and highly pigmented. They dry quickly and are suitable for many projects. You can use them on canvas, wood, glass, and even wine glasses. Get creative with DIY painting and crafts. These acrylic paint pens are great for canvas painting, fabric, porcelain, and stones. The possibilities are endless with this set. These fine point paint pens feature smooth colors that blend beautifully. They are resistant to water, fading, and abrasion. It's perfect for wood and rock painting. Each pen has a 1 mm fine tip and a 5 mm medium tip. The fine tip is great for details, while the medium tip is perfect for filling large areas. It's suitable for all skill levels. The acrylic markers are non-toxic and stay fray-free. For best results, store them horizontally. They conform to safety standards, ensuring they are safe to use. These are perfect for coloring books, mugs, and home decor. You can create stunning designs on dark surfaces, mirrors, and furniture. They are ideal for card making and scrapbooking. What we like. These markers feature dual tips for both fine details and bold strokes, offering creative flexibility. The water-based formula is non-toxic and easy to clean. If you like to create stunning designs on various surfaces, these markers are ideal for both kids and adults. What people say. They provide good coverage. The finish is a gloss similar to other types of enamel. The pens are easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.